Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my HOBONICHI cousin that I use as my everyday planner. And this week I'm really excited because I will be using some of my news collections actually from my August release, which will be coming out on August 11th. This is a special week because there's a couple things happening. So my 1-year anniversary for my shop is this week. My daughter's birthday is on Sunday. Just a lot to celebrate. So this week I will be using my Cottonwoods collection. So you've got the deco, the circles, the paint swatches, and the quotes with the smaller deco. And the newest edition is these washi. And then I'm probably going to add some of these little paint splatters, which are also coming new to the shop. Let's get started. So first thing I'm gonna do is move that and place these, oh, so satisfying, just along the top like so. I love how neutral they are, and I think I'm actually gonna add, I'm gonna add one of these. Just maybe here. There we go. And then add this to this side. And then, where'd it go? Adding it again. I already know that this is my favorite sticker. And I added it as well in the sunflower collection and the mushrooms collection. So I'm really excited. Oh, I love that. Oh, so pretty. Then I want to add some of these like little black splatters. I've seen so many people add things like this through stamping, and I thought, well, why not make this as a sticker for those who don't have stamps or don't feel comfortable with stamps, and then that way, you know, if you don't like it, then at least it's just a sticker and you haven't purchased a whole stamp pad for it. But the thing is, I've made these in, oh, I like that. I have these in different colors as well. So let's do it like this. Oh, I really like that. And I have these in the clear sticker sheet rather than the white, because at least with a clear sticker sheet, it looks like it's meant to be there, you know, even on the HOBONICHI paper, which can sometimes be really hard. Oh, I love that. Love that. What did I get on there? Okay, so, oh, it's fluff from somewhere. Put that back, because I'll definitely be using that in the daily spreads. Okay, then move that back here. Then in the corner, I could certainly do the You Are Blooming, or the, I'm going to do this middle shade here with the Everything Blooms in Its Own Time. And then I'm going to add one of these. Whoopsie. And then back to this, just to add a little something. It's just a little tiny detail, but I think it adds so much. Oh, I love it. I'm so excited about this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and work on this sidebar. So every week my sidebar is pretty much the same. I take my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen and write in the word sleep, and then I will use one of these swatches to place on top, and then I will take a Coffee Monsters Co. emoji, because I mean, add a little bit of cuteness to the spread, and then draw in with my fountain pen the graph that I chart my sleep score and how long I sleep for. Noticed this last week my sleep has not been very good, but then I also haven't been feeling well, so maybe the two are tied together. And then underneath that, I will use my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen once again to write out workout, and then use a swatch sticker to put right on top of that, along with another Coffee Monsters Co. emoji, and then write out my schedule for workouts for the week. Now that the sidebar is done, I will go in along the bottom and write out meals for Monday through Sunday, and then use paint swatches as headers to go on top of the word meals. It's a nice touch, actually. It's like highlighting over top, but without having the exact mild liner. And then writing in BLD for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The next thing that I do is actually go in each day and write in the word work with my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, and then using my paint swatches once again as headers for each of these days, and then using my fountain pen to draw in the arrow for my work shift. So these first three things that I do for my planner are all pretty much the same every week. So my sidebar, the meals at the bottom, and my work shifts. So now going into each day and figuring out basically what I have to do every day. So Mondays are the nights that I meal plan and order groceries. My routines are pretty much the same on a week-to-week basis, which is why I've been asked, you know, how do you know where to put down stickers, and how do you know just where to put them down? Really, I have been doing this for long enough that I know what my week looks like, and my weeks are generally, I hate to say this, built on routine. I thrive on routine, and so do my kids, and it makes planning easier knowing that I have a sense of routine. And that's why it's easy for me to know where to put stickers down. The only times where I don't really have too much of a routine are Saturday and Sunday. And even then, compared to some other people, they're full of routine. So Thursday is when my husband picks up the grocery. Oh, there's the shopping one. I was looking for those stickers. So my husband picks up the groceries on Thursday evening. That is a huge sticker. Okay, put that down. Pick up groceries. And then Friday is the day that I am normally filming, but I also have my children's physicals in the morning. Normally, it's easier for me to do physicals when it's like near somebody's birthday. So like I do my physical near my birthday, or on my birthday. And then the kids I'll do together on Robin's birthday. So the kids' physical is at 8:15. And I'm using my Zig Clean Color Dot in the Platinum. It's a gray color that seems to match a little bit better. But yeah, I'll leave a link for that as well, because I bought that, or I got that from Stationery Pal. And if you use my affiliate link, you can get 18% off on that before the end of August. So Robin and Henry physicals. And then planning time. Oh, hold on. I feel like I need to put some kind of like a celebratory thing on the 11th, because that's when the sale, my sale is. But then I don't keep track of shop stuff necessarily in this planner. This planner is for everyday stuff. So no, I won't keep shop stuff in here. Although saying that, like in my daily journal, I do, like my, so weird. So I'll show you guys how I end up using this on a day-to-day basis, how I show my daily journal, how I show this. I will show that in a video next week. But So that's been done. And then we have a party for my daughter on the 14th. I don't actually know what's happening too much on the 13th. I think we have to do our cleaning on the 13th because Sunday's going to be crazy. Getting ready for Robin's birthday and whatnot. So I'm going to use this Paper Bits Co. I only have 3 left. Oh, okay. Yeah, cleaning. So we'll do our cleaning on the Saturday. Just what the way schedules are right now. Bathrooms. And I'm also training for the 10K walk, which is on the 21st. So once things calm down after that race, maybe it'll be easier to figure out which days we're going to be doing the cleaning. Vacuum, which my husband loves doing now because of the new vacuum we have. Windows, dust, and garbage. And then we have the handles of switches. Okay, and then I don't have any other plans for that day. That day will probably be filling orders from the, whatchamacallit, the new release. So what I can do though, knowing my Saturday nights, pull these stickers out, is laundry. I'm gonna have to do an inventory of all of these and then see what I have and don't have. So fold laundry. Oh, you know what? I'm looking at Friday and I'm forgetting that I have to film. Oh, there's a cooking sticker in here too. Still trying to figure out what we're gonna have for Robin's birthday. If anything, it'll just be something really easy, like baked spaghetti or whatever it is. Filming. Here we go. So Fridays are normally my filming day. Those stickers don't match. Those stickers don't match. I have a bunch of planning stickers, but I prefer using like the YouTuber ones. Yeah, this will work. I'm not like recording a podcast or anything, but it'll do in a pinch. Whoops. So to film, we do need to do the ink exploration, the weeks, and the cousin. Alrighty. Okay, and then Sunday, let's go back to using my dot. So Henry has Ninja on Sunday from 11:30 to 12:30. He's loving Ninja. It's such a great activity for the kids, and I love how varied the activities are for kids nowadays. Henry at Ninja. And actually I'm going to make a note underneath that I'm going to be doing 10K walk, my last 10K training walk before the actual 10K training on the 21st. So let's find... Oh, there we go. It's a running sticker. I'm not actually running, but hey. Yeah. 10K walk. Cute. And then we're gonna have the party for Robin. I feel like I have a celebratory sticker somewhere. I just like a birthday sticker or something. I don't know. I like these, but they don't, you know, what would match. I have the brown. Would the brown match? Kind of. Oh. hold on. Maybe it's in this pile. Yes, it is. Oh, and put that it's Robin's birthday. Yeah. Robin's birthday party. Okay. And then I can't think of anything else that I need to do just as of yet. And I'm sure this is the thing, the way that I plan, I put in what I know and then I fill it in as the week goes, because such is life. And a lot of the times, if something doesn't work out, that's what whiteout and stickers are for, you know. So what am I missing, guys? Am I missing anything? I don't think I am. Just looking. I know this time will be spent doing orders. This will be doing orders, and Sunday will probably be a break from the orders. So, okay. I will leave it as is, and then we'll go from there. So these were the stickers that I didn't use these. I will use them in my daily journal, which I will film, and it will go up the following week. I used some of those. Loved these. Like the washi was probably my favorite part. And then I used some of the splatters. So maybe I put something here. Maybe if I just put, the thing is, these two are the same color, and if that's the same color, what if I just do just a small one here with some of the splatter. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. And I will keep it like that. Okay, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. This cotton wood collection will be available in my shop on Thursday, August 11th, and you can use the code 1YEAR to get 20% off until 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, August 14th. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.